Hey everyone, the legends at Wiltshire have invited me to create a meal for you all using their Staysharp knives. So we're gonna whip up some stuffed bell peppers today. Yeah! Alright, first things first, we're going to grab our knife and just dice an onion. Oh, it's like butter. Oh, wow. Alright. Onion is chopped. It's like, because I'm right over it, I'm like crying. Alright, onion's chopped. I was gonna put it in the bowl, but that's not gonna fit. So, we're gonna head over to the pan. We're gonna fry it up. A little bit of oil, a little bit of tomato paste, some garlic, and you can use whatever mince you want. I don't eat, oh my god, I'm literally crying. I don't eat like beef mince, so I'm putting V2 plant mince, but you put like chicken mince, you can put like, I don't know, anaconda mince, whatever kind of mince you want. Just do it for your flavor, your taste. Anyway, let's get into it. So ready. Alright. Flame on. Try to flame on high. Get that pan warming up. One thing I did learn, don't spray your oil on the pan, on the fire. Lift it up, or you're gonna singe your hair and your eyebrows. Awesome, so that's there, heating up. We'll just chuck in our onion first. I don't know if I need that much onion, that's like a lot, hey, that was like a massive onion. I reckon that's about enough. Leave that there. And yeah, what are we doing? What are we doing to this onion? Just cooking it till it's soft. Brown and soft, then we're gonna add in our garlic, tomato paste, and our mince. Alrighty, that onion is all nice and brown. I'm gonna just do what, I love my garlic, so I'm doing like 2 little spoonfuls. Pop that in there, followed by our mince. We just wanna brown the mince up. Sliced. Putting that knife to work already, hey. And turn that heat up a little bit for this. And just a couple more minutes and that's gonna, brown up again. Double brown onion, double brown mince. I've also got a couple of tomatoes from our vine in our backyard that I'm gonna pop into this. So we're just gonna cut them. We're just gonna cut them up into little like 4s or whatever that is. So just in half and in half again. And just chuck them in the bowl, and they're just gonna go into our mince as well. Just wanna keep that mince a bit more. Make that mince a little bit more interesting. And I just think these are just beautiful, straight off the vine in the garden. Like, there's nothing like eating your own homegrown produce. Oh, that. Amazing. I think about a handful or so. Looking good. All right, let's chuck it in the pan. All right, we're browning up really nicely now. Wow. Oh, maybe a little bit too brown. Black on those parts. It's alright. They say flavour. Garden vine tomatoes straight in. And some tomato paste. Stick as. Use a little spoon. We don't need that much of this. Like half a jar, I reckon. Not that much. Because we've got our own little tomatoes in there anyway. Crack a little bit of salt. Some pepper. And some Italian herbs, some flavour. Awesome, and just give that a little mix around. into this. What is it, Tamia? I'm so into you. When you cook, do you ever have like just songs that come into your head and you're just like, I feel it. I feel like this right now is speaking to me. It's like, I am so into you. Like we're getting into it, yeah? There we go, look at that! I really like what you've done to me. I can't even explain it. We're gonna put that in a bell pepper. Oh yeah, we're gonna put it into... I'm gonna stop. Alright. Leave that for a little bit longer. Let it do its thing. It's starting to look pretty good though. And yeah, once it's kind of cooked, maybe like a minute or so, because we are going to pop these into the oven. We just want it to all really kind of mush together. It's looking good. I'm into it. So I have like pre-microwaved rice that I'm just going to pop into this mixture as well. I didn't really think that you need to like cook it twice, to be honest. I'm gonna cook it in the pan and cook it like in this. So we'll just mix this through. Good work, Josh. Nice and mixed. Alright, this smells so yum. So into it. I reckon it's the tomatoes from the. Pop that over to the side. Alright, we're gonna grab our bell peppers and we're just gonna release them from the bag. Nice big bell peppers for this because we want to stuff them right up. There's 4 in this bag. There were other bags that had small ones, like 6 in it. I thought, no, 4. Cut the top off it, straight off it, and we just want to get this little bit out, yeah? You can keep the top if you want to pop it on it. I'm not going to put it on because we're going to put cheese on top of this. Beautiful. Alright. Another one. Yep. Alright. Chuck that in there. Get your little spray oil. Just spray your pan a little bit. Alrighty, so we're just gonna fill this bell pepper up. Put it right in that little, little pocket. I call them capsicums, by the way. I don't know why I keep saying bell pepper. It's like the recipe that I got, obviously, is from the States. In Australia, it's a capsicum. Or capsicum. Oh man, I actually would pronounce it like that and think I was like so smart. I'd probably correct you as like, no, it's a capsicum. Jeez, come on. Alright, I like that. And we're just putting mozzarella cheese as well on that. And then just straight in our pan, stacked upright. Loving life, looking good. And we'll just slowly work our way through all of them, yeah? So I was just gonna wrap the pan just over it, but I think it's actually probably a better idea to just wrap the pepper itself. Do you know what I mean? Just wrap the pepper. I just don't want all the stuff to fall out of it. We'll see. This could be like where I fail this recipe. Alright. There we go. Ready for the oven. So we've got our oven preheating at about 250 degrees. I'm gonna pop it down now to about 180 and we're gonna put these in there and keep an eye on them. It should take about 20 minutes. So let's get cooking. Alright, let's check them out. I reckon it's time to pull these tops off. Oh, that looks so good. Look at that. Yum. Oh, it ain't easy being cheesy. Alright, pop them back in and let the oven do its job. They're gonna crisp up. Let's check it out. Oh, they look good. Oh, listen to them whistling. Oh, into it. just watched Blade the other day, and like anything now with the word whistler in it, I just think about Blade. Alright, pop our plate down. Just brought them over from the oven. They're looking sensational. We've got some lentil salad. Just put a little bit of lentil salad in there, yeah? Just on the bottom. Delicious. We'll grab one of our chilies. I'm gonna pick it up. A stuffed pepper there. Oh, look at that. Look at the cheese. Looks amazing. I'm gonna like stand it up in the middle. And also from the garden, a little bit of parsley, just straight on top of that. And there you go. We have one delicious stuffed bell pepper ready to enjoy. Epic, look at that. Cheers everyone. Yum, yum, yum.